Okay, welcome back. Hello. So, today I am going to show two products, the Beetles nail care kit and the 3-pack. This all came together. Nail dehydrator, nail primer, and a nail glue. This is everything you need to prep your nails so they never fall off, ever. Um, so I took this one off in order to show this kit. So I'm going to unpackage this so you could see everything that is inside. It's like a blocker. Okay, first we have the cuticle remover, which I'm going to add right now. And it is a very thick viscosity. And we have the cuticle oil with, I love this style, the dropper. And it's nailed by Brandy said, top off every set. And then the Beetles glass nail file, which is very nice. And it has a buffing or lighter green, and then a file sign. Yeah, that's my assumption. I could be wrong. A nail brush, a pair of nail file, which also has the Beatles logo, and the cuticle pusher, and this little cuticle cleaner scraper. I don't know its technical name, but I know I like it. And for some reason, I don't have a um. So that's everything that comes with the nail care kit, and then the nail dehydrator, primer, and glue. Everything you need to prep your nails. So, as you see, I've already put the cuticle remover on, and it does say, I doubt you're gonna be able to see that. I can't even see it without my glasses, but I believe it says to leave on for about 5 minutes or so. We'll just say it's been 5 minutes, and these tools are very good. Now, I just did my cuticles last week, so I really shouldn't have that much. Oopsies. Of look at that. These are amazing. I know that's kind of gross, but that's just a week's worth of cuticle on my nail. Or I guess it could be leftover, like glue, or I didn't have glue, I had polygel. But still, okay. Now we're going to get out the dehydrator and primer. And the nail glue. And first, we're going to take the dehydrator and cover the nail. And we're going to let it just dry for a few seconds. Next, we're going to take the nail primer and these are both air dry products. And I like to go in with a second coat of primer. And now is prepped for whatever I put on next. But I wanted to thank Beetles for the nail care set, which again included all these items, and also this 3-pack, which includes everything needed to complete your nail set. Thank you for joining, and have a wonderful day. Oh, one last thing, you don't want to forget the cuticle oil until I put my, we'll just do this Christmas hand. And have a Merry Little Christmas. And if you're interested in reading the back, you could take a screenshot of it there and a screenshot of that. So the end one is the nail glue, this is the nail glue, the primer, and this is the dehydrator, which is just isopropyl alcohol plus water. And the primer is alcohol, acrylates, and copolymer. And the nail glue is everything listed there. I'm not going to try to enunciate all of that. So thank you again, and here's another shot of everything from the other nail kit. Oop, that's my peep. And this is two of the Beetles gifts.